Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmul Software and today I am going to explain you how to add leave types. So just click on HR module, then select leave type, then just click on these four dots, then click add leave category and add the description. I'm just adding casual leave and just save it. The entry will be saved and you can easily edit, view and delete that entry through these actions. If you want to quick search the leave type, then you can use this filter to search. And if you want to search different leave type, then you can use this refresh button to refresh the data. Thank you. If you got any query, then please connect us at contact us@sunmursoftware.com.